So now you've built your step-by-step guide flow, but where do you trigger it to run? In this video, we're going to talk about where you define which step-by-step guide flow should run for each contact. After you've created your step-by-step guide flow, you can use the set event flow block to set the step-by-step guide flow you want triggered when the contact is connected with an agent. Thanks to the power of flows, you can dynamically determine which ones to surface by first checking a customer's IVR response, the queue assigned, and/or customer information, to then create branching logic and flows before you set which step-by-step guide flow ID to run in your set event flow block. When you set this block on your canvas and open the properties pane, you'll want to select the default flow for Agent UI event hook. This is the event listener for when an agent is accepting a contact. Then you can select a flow. This will show a list of your contact flows, and you'll want to select the guide flow you have previously published. It is important to note that this event hook should be set before a contact gets routed to a queue. Once you've properly configured your set event flow block and published your flow, you're ready to test your guide. Go ahead and route a contact to your agent workspace to test it out. You should see the step-by-step guide flow you configured pop up for the agent.